Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a different kind of hair bow. And I know you may be thinking, what are you doing, Nika? But believe me, it will look cute in the end. So I have this fat quarter. This is just fabric from a fat quarter. I just kind of cut it up. I used another piece of it for something else. And I made this circle with one of the larger mouth bowls that I have. And that's how I got this circle. However, I made this one with a smaller bowl, and these two I made using this. And I will leave the Amazon link below so you can get one of these for yourself. But I wanted to see how big of a bow that this will make. So we're just going to go through this in a minute. But first, before we get into the tutorial, if you are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. Also, make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload. If you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked below, and make sure to give me a big old like. So let's get into it. So I'm just using a pen because I'm making this for my daughter. I'm not making this for a customer. I'm going to use a pen to trace. Actually, I'm not going to use the full center of this because I can use the rest of this fabric for something else. Again, I'm just using a fat quarter. You can use knit, you can use blue jean, you can use an old shirt, whatever kind of fabric you want to use to make yours. Okay, so now that we have the circle cut out, we're going to get into making it into a hair bow. That step is not completely necessary. You don't have to do that. That's just for my own sake. So I'm using needle and thread for this project. I'm just going to take it around the edge and feed it through. And you'll see why in a minute. Careful not to poke yourself like I just did. Today I'm going to use this soft elastic. Now you could sew yours or hot glue it together. That is your choice. For me, I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue. If I were making this for a customer, I would be sewing it. When I do tutorials, I tend to use the hot glue because it's faster and I could show you easier and faster how to do it. But when I sew things, I like to make sure it's extra secure. So I tend to sew when I do stuff like that. So I'm actually going to take another piece of this fabric so I can give myself a center. You can do this several ways. You can just go ahead and place it through like that. If you want to make it smaller, I would say fold in a little bit more, which is what I'm going to do, so that my center is a little bit smaller. I'm sorry for any noise in the background, guys. I have my fan on. It's pretty hot today. So there we go. I'm just going to set a little dab of hot glue right there just to secure it in the front while I wrap it around the back. So obviously I'm not going to use this whole thing, but I'm just going to show you how I actually do things. So at this point, just take it back around like that. Minding to be careful, guys, not to hot glue yourself like I do quite often. Okay. And I could use that for another project. Now you can change up your centerpiece. You could use grosgrain, you could use an embellishment, whatever you like to do. You can make yours larger, you can make it small. So I use one of my bigger mouth bowls to make this, the circle to make this. So you could just kind of like fluff it out however you want. And there you have it. I think it's really cute. It's really simple, really easy. You can use the soft elastic, or you can use nylon. You can use an alligator clip, whatever you want to do to yours. And because I use the fat quarters come in so many different colors and styles that you could use anything. Again, I said you could use knit with this, you know, an old t-shirt, cotton, blue jean, whatever. You just make a circle as big as you think you want the bow to be, and then just sew it around and pull. Pretty simple, pretty easy. Just another quick project for you guys today. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please support me in giving it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel. Also, if you would like to follow me on social media, all of that is linked below, as well as the links to my vlog channel, movie review channel, and Greg's podcast channel. And until next time, guys, bye.